Hi everybody, we are going to explain how to make Mexican pancakes with a little particular style. So at first, we are going to need some ingredients. 2 chopped onions, 4 chopped sausage, 1 chopped green cayenne, 4 chopped chilies, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 100 grains of sweet corn, 3 slices of pancake, salt, pepper, olive oil. So let's do it. We put the pieces of onion on the fried food with olive oil. Then we add the chopped cayenne, the chili, with the salt and the pepper, and the sweet corn. We let it there by 2 minutes, and then we add the slices of sausage, and then we add the ketchup and serve it. For serve it, we add a little of mix in the pancake, and we made it a roll with this. At the end, we add ketchup over this for decorating. So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.